does. Search but you stay lost.
Hello, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you are aware from the title, we are traveling to Pradhanpat Waterfalls, which is in Deogarh. Now the time is 5 am and the distance from Rourkela to Deogarh is 172 kilometers, and according to Google Maps the journey time would be 4 hours 15 minutes, but I am assuming it to be 5 hours to 5 hours 30 minutes since I will be taking couple of halts for shooting, and the road condition here in NF143 is not so good. So let's see how things go, and stay tuned for further updates. Don't skip.
We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
So now we are approaching the scenic Darjing picnic spot. So the landmark is Lord Shiva temple that you see on your right hand side, which is known by the name Baba Bireshwar temple. We need to take a U-turn here to get to the other side of the highway and follow the temple's entrance. Now we got to park the bike here and get down to the exact spot. This is just a break that I'm taking. After spending some time here, I'll proceed towards our destination for today, that is Pradhanpat Waterfalls.
Mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
So right now I am at Darjing. If you are following me from the very beginning, then I have already covered this place and Deogarh as well. So you can check out that video. You can find the link in the description. And this is a very beautiful picnic spot. The place name is Darjing, as I mentioned earlier. And this comes on the way to Deogarh. And as you can see, the beautiful river and the high hills. It's mesmerizing. This is the Brahmani bridge and this place is Narendra, and we are approaching Bonaigarh. And till now the river was on our right hand side, now it moves to the left hand side, and Barkot is now 48 kilometers from here, which is a major junction from where we have to take a turn towards Sambalpur on the Kolkata-Mumbai highway. So this left turn takes you to the Sundargarh side of the Khandadhar waterfalls. There is another side of Khandadhar waterfalls in Keonjhar as well. So if I get a chance in future and if time permits, then I'll try to cover both the waterfalls in future. But as of now, let's stick to the plan.
Reaching for stars. I wonder where you are. Oh.
Now we are at Barkot, which is the largest block in Deogarh district. This is again Brahmani river, which going ahead flows through Rengali reservoir. So the scenic beauty of this place, as you can see, is incomparable. It's really beautiful. So going ahead, this road connects to the Kolkata-Mumbai highway. The left side goes to Kolkata via Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj, Baripada, and the right side goes to Mumbai via Sambalpur, Bargarh, Raipur and Nagpur. So we will take the right turn towards Sambalpur and Deogarh will be on the way. You can see the said highway in the drone shots. So now I have to take an exit from this highway and enter Deogarh. right now I'm at Pradhanpat Waterfalls, and as you can see, it's a lush green property with trees all around, and you can see the hills there. So now, without wasting any further time, let's go to the waterfall and check that out. Let's go. The Pradhanpat Waterfall is the most prominent tourist destination in Deogarh district. It remains surrounded by dense forest throughout the year, and the scenic beauty of this place, as you can see, is incomparable, and it uses to attract many visitors every year. And the water is falling from a height of about 9.1 meters from the granite rock, is creating an amazing scene. And this is a very scenic and beautiful waterfall that you get to see in Deogarh. So there are two ways to reach Deogarh from Rourkela. So one is via NH 143, through which I just came, and the other one is via Sambalpur. For that you have to reach Sambalpur via Biju Expressway and take the left turn towards Deogarh. However, the distance would be a bit longer than the route which I followed, but the road conditions that side is pretty good. So you will take more time, but yeah, the journey will be not as difficult as I had. It will be a smooth journey. So yeah, that's how you reach here. Earlier people were allowed to take bath in the waterfalls, but now the authorities have banned people from doing so due to some reasons. However, the scenic beauty of this place is pretty beautiful, and picnic options are also available. So if you want to come here for a picnic, you can take permission from the authorities and arrange your picnic here. You will really enjoy this place, and there is a temple nearby which you saw while I was coming here. That temple is dedicated to goddess Durga. So you can have darshan at the temple as well, and yeah, so that's it. So let me know in the comment section how you felt about this place. So now I'll be returning back to Rourkela, and I'll see you in my next trip. So yeah, that's it. So till then, take care, stay safe, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. And if you like my content, then hit on the like button, and if you like the video, share my videos with your friends and your loved ones. So till next time, see you. This is me, Sandeep, signing off. Take care. Bye bye. स्माइल, आप कैमरे में हैं, आपका स्माइल दिखा नहीं। वैसे क्या गुनाह किया आपने जो मुँह छुपा रहे हैं?